How to do this? Open CapCut and click here New Project. And select the video.
समझ रहे हो?
Here you can click this and zoom and adjust the video to split. Delete this. Delete this. Then you can screenshot this and zoom like this. After that you can go from Google and type here Pika I.
What?
Click here About. And click this Try Pika. Here click this Peel it and click here Try It. Click here Upload Image and add the image screenshot. And click this Generate. Here you can click this and download it. Then go back to CapCut.
तू समझा? हाँ.
Click this plus and select the video. To save this video click here Export.